As a Herman Miller Aeron chair owner, have you ever experienced that unexpected descent when you sit, or noticed the chair rising on its own when you stand? Don't worry, your chair isn't broken and it just needs a quick and easy tweaking. This happens all the time, so consider this as a part of the chair's assembly. If you received it like that, it's just a part of the process and you have to balance it. All you have to do is to adjust the pin under the cover. So start by removing the cover as shown. Once the cover is removed, locate the pin. We'll zoom in to show you what you have to do exactly. Using an Allen wrench or a hex key, you have to tighten the pin if it was loose. However, you shouldn't tighten it too much to prevent it from breaking. That's why you should rotate it quarter by quarter. The whole point of loosening stems from the pin touching the top of the cylinder, causing it to be overactivated. So going counterclockwise will balance the situation and return the pin to its original position. You can always tighten a bit, then check if it's working again until you're satisfied with the result. Again, if you overdid it, you can always loosen it a bit. Your main goal is to reach a balanced state. When you're done, give it a go. Our engineer here is showing you that if you balanced it correctly, it will function as intended. Even if you sat on it, it won't sink by itself, and if you stood up, it will stay at the same height. Finally, put the cover back on. And there you have it. Your Herman Miller Aeron is ready to go. Please like this video if it's helpful and feel free to let us know if you want any specific fixing tutorial.